What if I told you 8 simple moves could make you feel 20 years younger? No gimmicks, no clickbait, just science-backed exercises that help you move better, feel stronger, and stay independent at any age. If you're in your 50s, 60s, or 70s and feeling stiff, slow, or not quite like yourself, this is for you. I'll walk you through 8 essential exercises your body actually needs. Not trendy gym stuff, but real-life movements that help you get off the floor, carry groceries, and climb stairs with ease. And at the end, I'll reveal the #1 mistake people make and how to fix it before it slows you down. Let's get started. The chair squat. Let's start with what experts say is the most important exercise for anyone over 50, and it's as simple as sitting down and standing up on purpose. It's called the chair squat. Research from Tufts University shows it helps keep your legs strong, your balance sharp, and your independence intact. Why it matters? The muscles you use to rise from a chair, glutes, thighs, hips, are the same ones you need for walking, stairs, and even catching yourself if you trip. Here's how to do it. Stand in front of a sturdy chair, feet slightly wider than shoulder width. Extend your arms or use armrests for balance. Lower slowly for 4 seconds, just tap the chair, then stand back up in 2 seconds. Slow down builds strength, quick up builds control. Do 10 reps, rest a minute, then repeat. Need it easier? Use the armrests. Want a challenge? Hold something heavy in front. Master this move and every lower body exercise gets easier. The Countertop Push-Up. Skip the dumbbells and bench presses. This move builds upper body strength with just your kitchen counter. It's called the Countertop Push-Up. It targets your chest, shoulders, and arms, muscles you need for everyday tasks like opening a heavy door, lifting a child, or carrying groceries. Recommended by Tufts University for aging well, this move is simple but effective. How to do it? Stand an arm's length from a sturdy counter. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the edge. Keep your body straight, core tight. Lower your chest to the counter, pause, then push back up. Start with 10 reps, rest, then repeat. Too easy? Try full push-ups on the floor. Too tough? Start with wall push-ups for a gentler version. This is your go-to upper body move, perfect alongside the chair squat. Now, before we dive into exercise number 3, there's one important mistake I need to point out first. A lot of people over 50 think daily walks and stretching are enough to stay fit. While those are great habits, they're not enough. Here's the truth. Walking and stretching won't stop muscle loss. That sneaky decline in muscle strength, where stairs become harder and getting off the floor feels like a workout, that's called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that kicks in after 60. It leads to weakness, poor balance, falls, and even loss of independence. But here's the good news. We can stop it and even reverse it. A 2024 study found that progressive strength training, PST, helps older adults not only maintain muscle, but rebuild it. Just like watering a plant, you need to adjust over time to keep your body thriving. As your strength improves, your workouts should level up too, just enough to keep challenging you without breaking you. That's what PST does. Walking and stretching alone won't cut it. But strength training? That's the real game changer. The standing row. Let's talk about a muscle group many ignore. Your pulling muscles, especially your upper back and core. The standing row is an underrated move that targets your lats, shoulders, and muscles around your spine. These muscles help you stand tall, lift safely, and avoid a hunched-over posture. How to do it? Grab light weights or soup cans. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lean forward slightly, core tight, spine straight. Pull the weights toward your chest like starting a lawnmower, squeezing shoulder blades together. Lower slowly and repeat. Do 10 reps, rest, and aim for 2 to 3 sets. Start light and progress gradually. Think of it like watering a growing garden. This move strengthens your back, core, and stability, key for everyday tasks like lifting laundry or picking up your grandkid without strain. With push-ups, and legs, squats covered, the standing row completes your push-pull legs trifecta, the foundation of smart strength training. The reverse lunge. If you want to move better, stay steady on your feet, and climb stairs without feeling like you're 90, this is your move. The reverse lunge trains your balance, coordination, and leg strength all at once. It's one of the most functional exercises out there because it mimics real-life movement. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, step one leg back, lowering your body until both knees are bent. Don't worry about touching the floor. Push through your front heel to come back up to standing. That's 1 rep. Now alternate legs. Start with 6 to 8 reps per leg, rest, then do 2 sets. Need help with balance? Hold onto a chair or counter. Want more challenge? Add weights in both hands. This move is a game changer for going upstairs, getting off the floor, or catching yourself if you stumble. Master it now. Your future self will thank you. Resistance band row. Hunched shoulders, slouchy back, this one's for you. The resistance band row is one of the best moves to improve your posture and build serious pulling power. The kind you use every time you open a door, carry groceries, or yank a stubborn jar lid. It works your back, shoulders, and biceps, and it's easy to do anywhere. No fancy equipment needed. Here's how to do it. Anchor a resistance band at belly button height. Use a door handle or a sturdy post. Grab the band with both hands and step back until you feel a bit of tension. Pull the band toward you, keeping your elbows tucked in. Squeeze your shoulder blades together at the peak, then slowly release. Aim for 10 to 12 reps and do 2 to 3 sets, 3 times a week. This is your anti-hunch exercise. It opens up your chest, strengthens your upper back, and helps you stand taller, literally and figuratively. The glute bridge. You sit too much, we all do. And when that happens, your glutes basically go on vacation. The glute bridge wakes them back up and strengthens some of the most important muscles in your body, your glutes and hamstrings. Why does that matter? Because strong glutes equals better walking, stair climbing, balance, and less back pain. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat, and hands at your sides. Push through your heels to lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes at the top, hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower down. Start with 10 to 12 reps, rest and repeat for 2 more sets. Make it easier. Just focus on squeezing your glutes without lifting. Want more challenge? Add a band around your knees or a weight on your hips. This one's a must for anyone who wants strong legs, stable hips, and a lower back that doesn't scream every time you get up off the couch. Heel and toe raises? All right, we're hitting the calves now, and let me tell you, this one's a game changer for your balance and overall mobility. You might not think about your calves much, but they're key for making walking, jogging, or even standing for long periods way easier. Plus, strengthening them helps prevent those annoying ankle sprains and injuries. How to do it. Stand tall. Feet hip width apart. No equipment needed, so you can even do this while watching TV. Rise onto your toes, hold for 3 seconds, then lower. Rock back onto your heels, lift your toes, hold for 3 seconds, and lower. Do 10 to 15 reps of each for 2 to 3 sets. Make it harder. Try one leg at a time or hold on to something for support. Why it works. This move strengthens your calves, improving activities like walking or climbing stairs, while boosting posture and balance. Over time, you'll feel stronger and more stable. Dead bug. Now we're targeting that deep core, the muscles that give you stability, support, and help you avoid those annoying aches and pains. Forget crunches. This one's way more effective and actually feels pretty cool. Here's how to crush it. Start on your back, lie down, arms up, knees bent at 90 degrees like a yoga pose. Engage your core. Flatten your lower back against the floor. Keep it there throughout. Move one limb at a time. Lower your right arm and left leg, keeping them straight, but don't touch the floor. Hold briefly, then return. Repeat on the other side. Challenge yourself. As you progress, alternate leg extensions for an extra burn. Start with 10 to 30 seconds per side and aim for 3 to 5 sets. Go slow and controlled. The slower, the better. Why this works. This exercise strengthens your deep core muscles, which are super important for stability. Better stability equals better posture, less risk of injury, and way better performance in everything from lifting groceries to lifting weights. Plus, it's an exercise that's simple yet powerful, and you don't need any equipment. That's a wrap. 8 essential exercises to help you stay strong, stable, and feeling great. Stick with these, and you'll notice a real difference in your strength and mobility. Keep moving, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.